Hi friends! Today I would like to drawing SpongeBob SquarePants. Please enjoy the video.
It's called the loop-de-loop. You gotta take a lace in each hand. You go over and under again. You make a loop-de-loop and pull, and your shoes are looking cool. You go over and back, left to right, loop-de-loop, and you pull them tight like bunny ears or a Christmas bow. Lace them up and you're ready to go. You make a loop-de-loop and pull, and your shoes are looking cool. You make a loop-de-loop and pull, and your shoes are looking cool.
Who's there for you when you are sad and down? Idiot friends.
Who picks you up and smacks you all around?
Idiot friends. Who puts thorns in you so you can save the town?
Idiot friends, idiot friends.
Idiot friends.
Da 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 do da do do do.
Idiot friends.
Da 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 da.
Idiot friends.
Dee da da do 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 da do. You know, SpongeBob, all we've been doing is singing about what I've done for you. Well, what have you done for me?
Who helps you pick your pants up off the ground?
Thanks, buddy.
Curses!
Only an idiot friend would do that.
Let's bring it home, idiot friend.
Okay.
Who'll let you ride on his coffin?
Slaps you hard and often.
What do you and me have in common? We're idiot friends. Thank you very much.
Hit it, boys!
Welcome to Squidward's Tiki Land. Welcome to Squidward's Tiki Land. You can relax all day like a tiki can. Or lay out in the sun for a tiki tan.
Ordering from a coconut that's full of land.
Here in Squidward's Tiki Land, you can play all day in a tiki band. Then dance all night on the tiki strand.
Don't matter to me, cause I'm crazy, man.
Here in Squidward's Tiki
Welcome to the wonderfully whimsical and wickedly woven world of the
If you want to wear something on your hand or fist, there's really nothing quite like gloves. And if you don't want to leave fingerprints, I've got a pair that you're just gonna love. If you want complete knuckle protection when you stick your hand inside a block of cheese, a glove is a thing you want, a glove is a thing you need. So wear a glove if you please.
Get yourself some portraits, cause it's strengths and quirks. Slap a pair of thumbs on that and you've got a look that works.
Queen Elizabeth I wore her gloves every day to preserve and protect her lovely mitts. Hats protect your head, and shoes protect your feet. But gloves protect you from getting sick from everyone you meet. So, if you box or build or drive or cook or clean the loo, we've got a special glove made just for you. Our glove is beyond compare, as essential as underwear. If I were you, I'd buy two.
Oh, my Karen, oh, my Karen, oh, my computer wife Karen. Put down those punch cards, put down those punch cards, and listen to my ode. Oh, my my Karen, oh my Karen, oh my computer wife Karen. What compares to, aha! Your beautiful diodes. Oh my Karen, oh my Karen, oh my computer wife Karen. I was blinded, yes I was blinded. I was blinded by the light of your cathode ray. Oh, I built you, yes I built you. I built you in the shape of a cube. Oh my Karen, you'll never know how much I love your vacuum tubes.
Hey, eating here was your idea.
I like to call this little number striped sweater. Striped sweater is all the time. One with a collar, turtleneck, that's the kind. 'Cause when you're wearing that one special sweater.
Come with me to the land I love. It's not right here down the street or up above. It's down below in the deep blue sea, where Spongebob lives and the fun is always free. Down, down, down to the bottom of the sea, where our salty friend Spongebob waits for you and me. Down, down, down. Ah, we'll have lots of fun, you and me forever in the underwater sun. We'll catch some jellyfish if we get a chance. Say hello to Patrick and do a little dance. Karate chop Sandy, see squid get a tan. Eat a Krabby Patty and foil plankton's plan. Down, down, down to the bottom of the sea. We'll hook up with Spongebob and his snail Gary. Down, down, down. Oh, we'll have lots of fun, you and me forever in the underwater sun. Underwater sun.
I hate people, people hate me. I prefer my own best company. Single and secluded on my own. I can have the best of times all alone because I hate people.
I'm glad you asked, I'll make it perfectly clear. I'm the guy you made smile from ear to ear. Cause the sweet sounds coming from this here direction, the entire ocean should hear. Now what I am proposing to you is something I feel it is my duty to do. I'm not just an admiring passerby. I'm promoting manager guy.
Are you serious? Is this a dream?
Colonel Coffin's the name. I think we'd make a great team. You and your musical compadre up there on the next big thing. I do solemnly swear. So, what are we waiting for? It's high time. We gonna soar. Together we'll set sail on a magical musical journey, where you'll play for at least $1 trillion and that guy on that gurney. Screaming fans will insistently clap their hands for more as you fly through the air to win your full encore. Oh, and remember to bring your rake, 'cause Neptune only knows the money we'll make.
Determined save money, I could swear that's what I heard. I get super sensitive hearing when it comes to that word.
Yes, he said money, but more importantly, he said hands. And not the The type that blows air when you're feeling too hot. The type that wants your autograph on everything they've got.
Signature, Mr. Tentacles?
And I heard the word team, which is special to me. 'Cause through the power of music, there's no way we won't get to bond together in this special duet. So, it's hot time. We went on tour.
Excuse me.
How was my video? If you interest, please click like button. To know my new video you can click subscribe button. See you on my next video.
One with halitosis and the square one with the talented wrist.